Hello guys, welcome to Crypto Owners. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get unlimited diamonds, okay, and make unlimited coins so that you can reach your level 60. Okay, let me show you my account. Okay, so if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, for more videos. And I have a Telegram channel. Feel free to go and check it out. I'll post some of my legitimate airdrop that I have been participating on. Okay, so as you can see, I'm in level 59. Okay, I just need to make another 59, then I'll be level 60. So okay, so if you're in level 60, you can withdraw automatically. You can draw this 500 to your account. Okay, that's very simple. So the trick that I'll be showing you first, let me show you. I have made unlimited fake referrals. As you can see, I have about 50 fake referrals. So if you are seeing invalid, it means the person hasn't reached into level 9. Okay, so what you need to do is copy the referral code. Okay, then click on it to confirm that it's copied. Okay, after copying it, then the app that I'll be showing you is available in Play Store. It is called Multispace. Okay, so let's go and clone margin rich cars. Okay, so after cloning it, then you need to click on it and enter. Okay, if you are finding trouble finding this app, I'll be keeping it in the description below. Okay, everything will be available in the description below. Okay, if you haven't joined, my referral link is in the description. I'll be putting it, and the app, I'll be sharing the app so that you can automatically get straight to the your Play Store, and you just download it. You need to download 2 apps. Okay, I'll be putting it in the description. So when you enter the app, okay, then first of all you need to pass this level. Yes, go and claim. Most of you know these steps. So go and create a wallet. So when it comes to create a wallet, you click on draw and then click on create a new wallet. So what you need to do is put your invitation code as password. That's what I do. Okay, put the invitation code as password. Okay, after putting it, then click on create now. Okay, so I'll be hiding it so that for some security purposes. Okay, then you need to click on verify. So let me see. So let me just try. Okay, then click on confirm. So after clicking on confirm, then you have created a one fake referral account. Okay, then try to reach level 3. Okay, so after reaching level 3, go and buy this cars. Buy till it's full. So you can do as many as you want. Okay, you can do about 50 to 100 fake referrals so that you can get more diamonds. So then keep on. Let me try to reach level 9 so that you can see. So as you can see, now I'm in level 9. So then you go and claim all of this, your rich coin. Okay, so okay, after claiming all of it, then your fake referral has been done. Then you need to go back to your game, your official account. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, as you can see, I have just received 25 diamonds. Okay, and I received 0.63. Then you need to claim it. Okay, and then claim the diamonds. So After claiming the diamonds, then you go and play some of this game. So if you're lucky, you can get this level 60 if you're lucky, but it's very hard to get level 60 because they are already set up everything so that you make the game more harder for you. Okay, so after doing that, the next thing you need to do is you just need to make multiple fake referrals so that you can have many diamonds. So if you have, like, I have 268 diamonds, so let me go and buy coins. So you see, with 200 diamonds I can get this amount of coins. So it depends on the level you are. Okay, because I'm in level 59 and maybe you're in level 50 or 30, it will not reach this amount. So the more higher the level you are, the more your coins, the one you're going to buy with your diamonds, the more they increase. Okay, so and then go and buy it. Okay, so after buying it, let's try and play the game. So you need to go and let me just be buying this level 53. So after buying the level 53, let's try. I just want to show you so that you can. Then after buying it, so you can see it's very simple if you want to go to this level. Okay, let's wait, maybe it's network. You can get to this level. Okay, as you can see, I just need 59 and 59 and 59, 259s. After getting 259s, I can go and add them up and then unlock it. So you can do more than one fake referral. The app I'll be keeping in the description. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Okay.